Let's Marvin Gaye and get it on. You got the healing that I want, just like they say in the song. Till the dawn, let's Marvin Gaye and get it on. We got this king size to ourselves, don't have to share with no one else. Don't keep your secrets to yourself. It's Kama Sutra show and tell. Yeah. Whoa, there's loving in your eyes that pulls me closer. It's so subtle, I'm in trouble, but I love to be in trouble with you. Let's Marvin Gaye and get it on. You got the healing that I want, just like they say in the song. Till the dawn, let's Marvin Gaye and get it on. You got to give it up to me. I'm screaming mercy, mercy, please, just like they say in the song. Till the dawn, let's Marvin Gaye and get it on.
And when you leave me all alone, I'm like a stray without a home. I'm like a dog without a bone. I just want you for my own. I got to have you, babe. There's love in your eyes that pulls me closer.
It's so sad.
Surprise attack. Iyan. Upload mo ba?
Happy birthday
Ayan.
to you.
Ano?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Day.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Day. Day.
Birthday. Tita May.
Tita May.
Happy birthday, Tita May. Wish you all the best and stay beautiful.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Birthday.
birthday. Happy
Happy birthday, Mama May.
Mama May.
Happy birthday. Love you.
Birthday, May. Blessings.
Birthday, May. More birthdays to come. Good health and more blessings.
God bless sa buong pamilya.
At regards na laki, ito
Hello, Tita May. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best.
Happy birthday po.
Ciao, ciao.
May happy birthday! Ilan na? Kumusta na kayo diya, magkala? Sana ay marami pang birthday na dumating at lalong guminhawa at gumanda ang pamilya. Bida, ay mag-aral lang mabuti. Ikaw, Bida, baka yun ay palagi na lang ang gala kasama ang boyfriend pag hindi kita kinurot ay. Toy, mag-aral lang mabuti. Sa iyo may pag-asa. Maging abogado, doktor. Basta na natin ang kinainay. Kitatay, kikwende. Kitimina. Si Kuya Maneng. Kumusta na? Anong handa? Baka yun ay patay baboy. Kumusta na lamang? O happy birthday akin. Ilan na ba taon? Aret, nanonood ng TV, naglalaban ng kamuti si Silip. Nagkamuti din eh. O, kumusta na lamang? Happy birthday. Okay. Bye. Ciao.
Happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday ang nanating sa'yo. Ang lakas ng katawan. Ligtas sa anumang karamdaman.
Yan, ang kapal ng mukha. Ang laki ng ilong.
Alam mo naman, nandito lang kami para tumulong sa iyo basta kailangan. Minsan masungit ka lang sa mga bata, pero yan ang iyong kayamanan. Yung sinasabi ko palagi sa iyo, kayamanan mo yan ng bata. May awan Diyos makapagtapos at hanggat matutulungan ka namin, gagawa kami ng paraan. Sana maraming pang birthday ang dumating sa'yo. Alam namin na mahirap ang isang single mother, pero kaya mo yan. At andito lang kami lagi sa'yo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Ingat lagi. Kumusta na lang dyan sa lahat. We love you. We miss you so much. God bless you always.
Hello tita, happy birthday po. Salamat po sa lahat ng pag-asikaso niyo po sa amin, lalong-lalo na kay Mama at Kinanay. Happy birthday tita, more birthdays to come. God bless. Bye!
Oh, happy birthday, May. May, happy birthday. Sana laging malakas ang iyong katawan at pag-ingat sa pag-drive lagi.
Happy birthday! God bless!
Happy birthday!
Okay. Tita, happy birthday! Miss ka namin. Sana magkita ulit tayo. Kayla, say happy birthday, tita.
Happy birthday, teacher.
We love you.
I love you. Happy birthday.
Oh, let's sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tita May. Happy birthday to you. We love you. Mwah. Fly kiss, Kayla.
Happy birthday, May!
We wish you the best! And we love you!
I love you.
Happy birthday, Tita. Wish you all the best and God bless po sa inyong tatlo na nila. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, May! Sana'y permit pa ng mahabang buhay at lakas ng katawan. Lalo na sa iyong trabaho. Mahirap ang iyong trabaho. Walang laya. Sana'y permit pa ng mahabang buhay at lakas ng katawan. Sa iyong sasakyan. Happy birthday! I love you!
Happy birthday, May!
Sana'y marami kang birthday!
Sana'y humaba pa ang buhay ng hanggang matagal.
Happy birthday, Mommy May. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy May.
Hello, happy birthday, mommy. No need for a long cheesy message. May God shower His blessings on you. Wishing you happiness, good health, and a great year ahead. Drive safely always. May this day be the beginning of another beautiful year for you. May there be pleasant surprises, more special memories with us, loads of joy, and infinite happiness. Thank you and sorry for everything. Love you. As much as possible, me and Nene will not fight anymore for nonsensical things. As much as possible. Joke. I love you so much, mommy, and thanks for making me what I am today. Wishing you all the love and happiness you so richly deserved. This day is very special to me because I have no words or ideas how to express my love for you. Thanks for being my mom. Hope your birthday blossoms into lots of dreams come true. May today be filled with laughter and love. Happy birthday and many happy returns of the day.
Hi, Mami. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Ingat ka po lagi, lalo na po sa pagdadrive. Tapos, wag po papabayaan ng sarili. Lagi lang po kami nandito ni Vido para sa inyo. At saka po, thank you dahil lagi po kayo nandyan para sa amin. Sorry po kung lagi po namin kayong ginagalit o lagi po kami nag-aaway ni Vido. Tsaka, sana po nagustuhan niyo po itong surprise namin para sa inyo. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo ni Vido. I love you.
Happy birthday! I love you!
Ang hirap dyan video ni Mama.
Happy birthday!
Thank you, we love you. Mahal ko kayong lahat. Thank you so much sa surprise. Wala nang kalagyan yung aking kaligayahan. Alam ko na mahal-mahal niyo akong lahat. Kahit paano naintindihan nila ako kung bakit ko sila pinagsasabihan. Maganda raw na may bungangerang ina kasi may nararating. Kaya sana pagpasensyahan niyo ako kung gaano ako kahigpit sa inyo dahil gusto ko kayo makatapos.
Okay, Lord.
Love you.
Love you too.
Let's Marvin Gaye and get it on. You got the healing that I want. Just like they say it in the song. Until the dawn, let's Marvin Gaye and get it on. We got this king size to ourselves. Don't have to share with no one else. Don't keep your secrets